Welcome back, Wolf Scout, for Activity 10, Collections and Painting Rock. Hempel, Camino Real, Blanco Vista Elementary, and all others are welcome.
For more fun activities at home, visit our YouTube channel, Sacred Springs Scout Reach. Please join me in the Scout Oath. On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country and to obey the Scout law, to help other people at all times, to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. Please join me in the Scout law. A Scout is trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent.
A Scout is brave. A Scout can face danger although he is afraid. He has the courage to stand for what he thinks is right, even if others laugh at him or threaten him. A Scout is brave.
Show the Cub Scout sign. Tell what it means. Make the sign with your right hand. Hold your arm straight up. The two raised fingers stand for the Scout Oath and the Scout Law. The fingers look like the sharp ears of the wolf, ready to listen to Okela. Remember that Okela means good leader to a Cub Scout. Your mother or father or guardian is Okela. So is your Cub Master or your den leader. At school, your teacher is Okela.
Say the Cub Scout motto. Tell what it means. The Cub Scout motto is do your best. A motto is a guiding principle and a rule for living. Do your best means trying your hardest, not just a little bit. Do your best all the time. Do your best in school and at home. Do your best when you play a game and help your team. Do your best as you work on your rank adventures.
Because it gives me an opportunity to get out and hang out with my friends.
Earth rocks.
Kinds of rock. All rocks belong to one of the three main groups that make up the Earth's crust. They are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rock is any rock made by cooling magma, hot molten material that flows under the Earth's surface, or lava, molten rock that comes out of a volcano. Examples of igneous rock include basalt, granite, and obsidian. Igneous rocks: basalt, gabbro, granite, obsidian, and pumice. Sediment is gravel, sand, clay, or soil that settles and hardens out of water in riverbeds, ponds, lakes, and oceans. Sediment may contain shells and skeletons. Sedimentary rock is formed in layers, like a giant cake, after sediment has been under great pressure for millions of years. If the sediment was originally sand, it becomes sandstone. Clay turns into shale. Shells and skeletons make limestone. Small pebbles and sand form conglomerate. Sedimentary rocks are breccia, conglomerate, limestone, sandstone, and shale.
Metamorphic rock has been through a process much like baking. Meta means changed, and morphic means form. The change is caused by intense heat and great pressure deep in the earth. Under these conditions, sedimentary limestone becomes marble. Sedimentary sandstone turns into quartzite. Igneous granite changes into GNEISS, pronounced nice. Metamorphic rocks. slate, metaquartzite, green schist, marble, and gneiss.
Useful minerals. The earth contains many useful minerals. Some, like silica, sand, are easy to see and collect. Others, like iron and zinc, are found in rocks. They must be removed from the rock by a process called smelting and refining. There are 3 categories of useful minerals: metals, nonmetallic minerals, and fuels. Examples of minerals: metals: iron, tin, platinum, zinc, mercury, aluminum, lead, gold, uranium, copper, silver, magnesium. Non-metallic minerals used in building materials and supply: gypsum, potash, limestone, sand, borax, talc, quartz. Precious and semi-precious stones: turquoise, topaz, garnet, tourmaline, diamond, zircon, sapphire, ruby. Fuel: coal, natural gas, petroleum.
I used to think stones like diamonds and rubies were just used in jewelry, but I learned that they are also used in other ways. Diamonds are so hard that they are used in cutting and grinding tools, and rubies help focus the light in some lasers used by scientists. Crystals. A crystal is a group of atoms that come together in a certain way to form a molecule. Each kind of crystal has special and unique characteristics and shapes. For example, sugar crystals are oval shaped and slanted at the ends, while salt crystals are in the shape of little cubes. Crystals can be used in many ways: for eating, like sugar and salt, or as jewelry. Diamonds, rubies, sapphires, and emeralds are all different kinds of crystals formed by different elements and atoms.
Begin a collection. Display your rock collection by putting your rocks in an egg carton, or you can make dividers for shoeboxes. Label your collection of rocks. Your collection can be of stamps, collector cards, anything you choose to collect.
Requirement 1. Begin a collection of at least 10 items that all have something in common. Label the items and title your collection. Requirement 2. Share your collection at a den meeting or with your family. Before you bring your collection to share, jot down a few notes to answer the questions below. This will help you remember what you want to tell the den or your family about the items you collect. Tell your den or family the following things about your collection. What did you collect? Why did you choose that item? Where did you find the items for your collection? And how will you add to your collection? It's fun to share a collection with your den and family. When you share your interests with your wolf friends, it gives them a chance to learn more about the person you are and what you like to do. If it's too difficult to bring your actual collection to a den meeting, you can present it in another way, such as with photographs.
You can collect just about anything too. Miniature toy cars, lunch boxes, patches, baseball cards, stamps, coins, postcards, drawings. You may already have a group of one of your favorite things at home, but you've never called it a collection. Now it's time to explore what you are interested in, fascinated by, amazed at, and like a lot. Start collecting, wolves. Collecting rocks is not allowed in national parks and in many state parks. Ask permission before you collect anywhere. If you aren't permitted to collect rock samples, take pictures of your findings to use in a display.
Red light, green light. This is a simple and fun outdoor game that doesn't require any setup or accessories. It's great for a small or large group of kids. How to play.
One person is designated as the stoplight. The stoplight stands with his back toward the other players, who stand about 15 to 20 feet away from him. The stoplight calls out green light, which signals the players to begin moving toward him. Then the stoplight yells red light and turns around. If any player is caught moving when the stoplight turns around, that player is out. The game is over if all the players are out before anyone reaches the stoplight, or if someone tags the stoplight. If a player reaches the stoplight, that person gets to be the stoplight in the next game. Have fun!
Join us next time for Activity 11, Cooking at Home and Making Apple Crisp. If you are interested in joining a pack near you, visit beascout.scouting.org.